Meet the pioneering doctor who's transforming the way we understand health, and just might be the missing link in your healing journey. Dr. Jerry Tennant is a world-renowned, award-winning physician and researcher, but his greatest breakthrough came not from his professional achievements, but from his own personal health crisis. After 7 years battling a mysterious illness and exhausting every avenue traditional medicine offered, Dr. Tennant found himself at a dead end. No answers, no solutions, just questions. So he did what few could. He turned inward and began the journey of healing himself. What he discovered not only saved his life, it redefined everything we thought we knew about health, energy, and chronic disease.
The best doctors I could find said, well, you have 3 viruses in your brain. We don't know what to do about it, so good luck. If I didn't correct the energy of my body, I'd never get well because I couldn't make new cells. Chronic disease occurs when we lose the ability to make new cells that work. And one of the bases of making new cells is having enough voltage to do it.
Now, he's sharing that life-changing knowledge with the world. Whether you are a healthcare practitioner or an individual seeking to optimize your well-being, this conference will provide you with the knowledge and tools to make lasting changes to your health by restoring your body's voltage. Get ready to experience a revolutionary perspective that will forever change the way you see health and your ability to restore it. Join us on July 9th through July 11th for Dr. Tennant's 3-day in-person health conference. We can't wait to welcome you on this life-changing journey. See you there.